Hey, Bubba does.
Okay, first we're going to start with our black marker. We want to make sure that we're drawing in the center of the page. We're going to start right here. And then we're going to draw another, let's make this just a little bigger. And then another one right here, about the same length. And then we're going to do a U shape going down, curve up, and then close that off right there. Perfect. We're going to do that same thing and go all the way around on this bigger side. We're going to go down, around, and up. Perfect, and close that off right there. Okay, now we're gonna come inside the shape and do the eyes. It's gonna be this rounded square shape. We'll do one there, one over on this side, and then we'll do two pupils looking up. Perfect. Now, we're gonna do a rainbow shape like that for the mouth. And then we'll do a tongue inside. Perfect. And there we have our outline. So now, to finish our character, we're going to color him in. Here I have this green marker. Let me see, that one's kind of dry. There we go. Make sure you don't fill in the eyes. We want to leave those white. And for this time, we're going to actually just go right over the mouth and color that green. Perfect. Okay, now to finish, I'm gonna take my blue colored pencil. I'm gonna fill in this side darker. And then I'm gonna take a red, let's take this pink colored pencil. I'm gonna fill in that tongue. And I'm gonna come back over that pink with some blue. And darker in the back to give it that shadow effect. And just a little bit of texture. And maybe some pink. Do some pink around the eyes, just a little bit though. And there's our U.
Yeah.
It turned out so great. If yours didn't turn out so great, that's okay. You can just watch the video again and keep practicing. I hope you'll come back really soon and draw with me. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.